This is Marketing School Podcast.
All right, so we are going to talk about how the LinkedIn algorithm has changed, and here's how you can actually win. So there's actually two things here, but first, we should give the reason as to why LinkedIn is constantly changing its algorithm. More and more people are posting, and the organic reach is great. And LinkedIn's team, they specifically said this. They said, I'm paraphrasing here, but they're just tired of seeing random stuff going viral, and they know that they need to tweak the algorithm to make it more interesting and more relevant for people, because if it's going to be a lot of tech bro stuff, or like people kind of patting themselves on the back the whole time, there's really no point to use the platform anymore. So let's get started.
Well, it's also a B2B social network. So if it's a B2B social network, they need similar content. And the two things they want to do is, one, make sure that your followers are more likely to see your content. And two, if you share knowledge or advice, they're going to prioritize it in their platform because they're tired of this viral stuff that's going viral that has no need to be on LinkedIn. They want to still keep LinkedIn a B2B social network. They're not trying to go after Facebook. They're not trying to go after Twitter. They got their niche. Their niche works extremely well for them. And by sticking with their roots, I think it'll keep LinkedIn continually growing and do well. But the moment they want to go outside that vertical and just say, hey, we want to go after Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, they're going to lose. That's not the type of network they're known for. And that's not where they started from.
So first things first, here's what has changed. If you post on LinkedIn, it's now more likely that your followers will see your post. And so basically it says LinkedIn has seen a 10% increase in people viewing posts from people that they follow.
Yeah, you follow people for a specific reason. You want to see their content. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, a lot of them have gone away from that over the years, but that's one of the best things. If you like someone, you follow them and you keep seeing their content. If you don't, you unfollow them, or you don't follow them at all in the first place. And I think it's smart that LinkedIn is pushing more on that because a lot of other social networks don't care about that factor.
Number two, it says posts that share knowledge and advice are now prioritized throughout the platform. So whenever you think you're producing content, if you feel like it's helping people be more productive and successful, you're winning. And so LinkedIn has seen nearly a 40% increase in people checking out and viewing content that is grounded in knowledge from people that are out of their network. So knowledge and advice.
And if you look at their past acquisitions like lynda.com, it makes sense of what they're trying to do because they're trying to go back to the roots. That's what made them successful in the first place. It caused them to get acquired by Microsoft. And I think they're going to continually push down that direction.
Here's where we can end it off. So how LinkedIn identifies knowledge and advice. So number one, the post speaks to a distinct audience. That's one. So is this relevant? Who is it relevant to? Okay. That is the kind of thing that will likely get you to reach the right audience as well. And number two, the author is writing in their core subject area. So really what they're saying here, stay focused and not try to say everything under the sun, because there's no way you can have knowledge and advice for everything under the sun.
So go post more educational based content on LinkedIn that helps people out, and you'll start doing better based on their new algorithm.
Number three here too, before you stop, Neil. So the post has meaningful comments. So these engagement groups are probably not going to work that well anymore because everyone's like, great post, well said, happy face, whatever, right?
Yeah, but that change has been around for a while, dude. Because I remember there's a lot of people that have these social rings and they would just leave comments like, yes, awesome, amazing. And what we've seen with LinkedIn is not only do they have to leave an engaging comment, their comment needs to get engagement as well. So people responding to it, liking it. And when they do that, it causes your post to go viral much quicker.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.